Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our Baking Basics series by talking about how to use a double boiler. Let's get started.
It's really not hard at all. You start out with a relatively small pot on the stove, about a third of the way filled with water. Then you need a glass or metal bowl that fits on top of the pot without falling in and without touching the water below. Then you add your ingredients into the bowl, not the pot. This is also called a bain-marie. This allows your ingredients to heat very gently and is most often used when recipes call for eggs, but they don't want them cooked. It's also often used to melt sensitive ingredients like chocolate that burn easily. I hope this helps you follow that recipe you've never quite understood. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more tutorials.